A woman wrote to me recently about how her life was hell because of her mother-in-law, who constantly belittles, criticizes, complains about everything, her cooking, her dresses, even her parents. And even if she does everything exactly as her mother-in-law says, she's still not satisfied. What can she do? Well, here's what you can do. Stop trying to please her. Stop trying to get validation from your mother-in-law. That will never happen. Your mother-in-law will criticize and complain. It will be impossible to please her regardless of whatever you do. Try the grey rock method. It's a technique in which one acts completely dull, boring, and uninteresting like a grey rock. Be non-reactive, speak in a dull voice, keep a neutral look on your face, avoid eye contact, and respond with just a few words or sounds like, okay. You may feel angry, belittled, or disgusted, but don't show it. Grey rock doesn't mean ignoring the person. It means you keep your replies short and limit conversations with her. This will weaken her attempts because it will remove what she really wants, your full attention. Learn to forgive. If you carry forgiveness for your mother-in-law in your heart, you could actually end up feeling sorry for her. Then the nastiness that she approaches you with won't be able to hurt you. Instead, you'll be able to move forward feeling good and recognize that she's the one who's miserable. Strive to live a fulfilling and more meaningful present by focusing on nurturing your relationship with your husband. Start making plans for your brighter future because it's out there waiting for you. All the best.